Alright, those of you that found this video, more than likely were searching for how to make a volcano. I did my volcano for $0. And it took me approximately 45 minutes. The base is a basic water bottle with 1-inch cardboard strips underneath for the frame. I then covered that frame with grocery store brand aluminum foil. Painted it with some leftover craft paint left around the house from other projects. Then, using my large wooded backyard, used some evergreen trees, mulch from my landscaping, rocks from around my air conditioner, couple trees that were starting to grow, just tore them up. The box that it is sitting in was from a Hot Wheels gift from Christmas. I used maybe 2 feet of duct tape on the project itself, and then maybe 5, 6, 7 feet of duct tape around the outside of the box, just to cover up all the Hot Wheels graphics on the outside. And the end project. It's right there, folks. 45 minutes, $0, and one explosive project.